today, let me share with you my favorite and top-selling product of the season. It is this little mini junk journal by Stampin' Up. It is so cute. It comes with this album and all of the pages and stickers inside, everything you need to do for only $22. Oh my gosh, I sound like a car salesman, but it is so cute. I just can't talk about how much I love it and how valuable I think this product is. So you can use it for any holiday occasion. I'm going on a Manatee Paddle, my annual Manatee Paddle tomorrow, and I'm going to use my pages for this trip. But this is kind of what it looks like. If you've seen it online, maybe another consultant or somebody else that has made this, their book probably totally looks different. This book, you can make your own. Anyway, everybody's will turn out different. There are no rules. It comes with all of these flip out pages and fun pages and stickers and pockets. It's just so fun. Let me show you. Okay, so this is like a Christmas page. Some people like the whole, when you open it, the whole Christmas tree to show. I only wanted half because I thought it was so cute. I wanted to integrate it later in my book. So you're seeing half of my Christmas tree here. Then there's like some pages that you can journal, stick photos, stick tickets, whatever you want right there. Your stickers can go any which way. We have flip outs. Look how cute this little house is with the stockings. I just love it. Love it, love it, love it. Christmas classics. You can do your memories, anything you want to put there. Here's the other half of my tree. So I get to see half of the tree twice. I just thought it looked really cute that way. Just some more pages. This is perfect. What a great project this would be for after Christmas dinner with your children or grandchildren, or even if you have a large family and you have several within, like buy one album per a family and put it together. So fun. More pocket pages here. It's so cute. There's just so many possibilities. Or for a workshop, not a workshop, but like a cookie exchange party or something. Or bunko. My friend goes to bunko or a mahjong. Get your ladies together and create this. Such a fun project. Again, everybody's book will look different. There's so many possibilities. It's just fun. I'm going to make a couple more of these for special people that don't scrapbook for gifts. And I might even put their pictures in it. Who knows? So anyway, just thought I would share. If you're watching this between December 10th and 12th, you might want to order and take advantage of the free shipping. So we have that special going on. You could get several of these and have them in time for the holidays. Thanks so much for watching, and ho, ho, ho. Hope you have time to make something pretty during the season.